Welcome to Advanblack's YouTube channel. I'm Steve. Today I'm going to be showing you the new MX style Sissy bar or passenger backrest. And as you can see right here, this is our raw backrest here, and you can also get this in powder coated black. And as you can see right here, it does have a very small pad on the backside because this is mainly for your performance baggers or your performance Softails. And as you can see right here with the holes, this is a bolt on. This is not a quick disconnect system. This is simply going to bolt on in the place where your 4-point docking system would go to make something quick detach, which I'll show you that today as well. It's very easy to do. We already have the 4-point docking system on here, so we're going to take those bolts out. We got new bolts, new blue Loctite that comes with this. We're going to reinstall this. And like I said, we have two different versions. This is going to be your touring model version here, and this is going to be the one for the Softail. Like I said, you can get this raw or powder coated black. Now everything that you need to get this installed is going to be included in the kit, including your bolts, washers, and a little tube of medium strength thread locker. Now we got to get over here, get our saddlebags off, and we'll get this installed. Now we have our saddlebags off, and of course this has the Fox shocks on here, so it's using one of our bolts that's going to be for the 4-point docking system. Your 4-point docking system is going to be right here and right here. We're going to let this set down here for just right now. We're going to pull this system right out of there like that. So like I said, if you don't have a reservoir system that's using these bolts, it's just going to be this bolt here and this bolt here. We're going to do the same thing to the other side of the bike. Now on this bike, I could probably get away with the black or the raw. Since we have the raw handlebars and the raw exhaust system on here, I'll go ahead and install the raw one first. This is simply going to slide in right where you took the docking system out. Little blue Loctite on these bolts. Go ahead and get your front one in, but don't tighten it down. Don't tighten that up until you get your, you got to get our last bolt in here. Do the same thing to the other side of the bike. Now, like I said before the install, you will get bolts and washers that are included in this to get this installed. But if you have anything else connected back there, like your reservoir shocks like that, go ahead and reuse the bolts that came with your reservoir kit. It's important to use those bolts to go with that reservoir kit. So as you can see, like I said, it was a super easy install. You can get that in raw, you can get it in black, and you can also get it for the Softail models. If you go over to the website and you check out the description down below the images there, you'll see all of the models that these two backrests will fit. And if you want to get your hands on one of these, as always, I'll put links down in the description down below so you can check them out over on Advanblack's website, or you can get up with one of our authorized dealers. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, don't forget to hit that like, hit that subscribe. I'm going to get out of here, get myself back to work. I hope to see you in the next video, but until then, as always, be safe, keep your knees in the breeze.